si Jollibee nag-video sa akin.
Hi!
Hello!
Hi! Hi!
Ito niya. Ito niya. Keto daw. Sabi. Take this keto.
Today, I'm Aubrey, and welcome to the colorful world of Fantastic Factory as we celebrate Athena's birthday. So everyone, let's all shout, Happy birthday, Athena!
Happy birthday, Athena!
Ay, mahina. Gusto ko yung malakas. One more time.
Happy birthday, Athena!
Talagang malakas. Oh, syempre, ay, naupo na agad. Pagod na agad sila. Before we start, we will be having a warm-up game agad tayo. So I need everyone to please stand up po. Stand up, everyone. And we will be able to please put your hands up, both hands. And shake it, shake it, shake it. Ayan. Dito muna tayo mga ate. Dito po, wala din mga... Dito, para hindi tayo isipan. Okay, dito kayo ma'am. Ayan. Para naman makita din sila. Meron pa tayong videographer? Wala. Sige, go na lang tayo. Okay, so for our next, that is our first step ha. Both hands, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, so for our next step, Mommy, I will ask you po, how to hold your burger. Paano ba hinahawakan ang burger? Ayan, talagang malaking burger yun. This is one of the Jollibee's most favorite food, which is crispy and juicy. Ano po yung crispy and juicy ng Jollibee? Chicken joy. And the leg chicken joy. And how to do that? We need to put our hands in our armpit and flip it again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. For our next step, this side naman, I will ask him inside. This is also one of the Jollibee's most favorite food, which is meaty and saucy. Ayun ang galing ni ate. Ako na lang. Spaghetti, meaty and saucy. And how to do that? We need to put our hands in our waist and sausulo sa gitna. Okay. No problem ka na. Ayun ko nagsulo. Alright. So first step, put your hands up. And we will do that. Understand po? Remember po, don't throw the balloon. Just pass the balloon. Okay? Alright, so we'll start from Athena and Mommy. Okay, dito po Mommy, hawakan niyo po yung balloon. And Mommy, in count of 3, 2, 1. Alright, pass the balloon po. Pass the balloon. Ayan. practice, okay? So that everyone knows. Sino po yung last touch? Okay, I'm sorry po, you're out of the alright, si Mami na yung na-out po at si Athena, alright? Saan last nag-landing? I'm sorry po, you're out of the game na po. Alright, let's start again. Pass the balloon. Okay, pass the balloon. Okay, pass the balloon. Oh, sorry. Sorry po, you're out of the game na, baby girl. So, okay lang yan. So, we have 3 players left. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 players. So, let's start again. Pass the balloon. Oh, sorry, Kuya. You're out of the game na po. Alright. We have 2 players. Come here, baby girl. This side. Ayan. Alright. So, let's start again. Pass the balloon. Isabel. Alright. There's a prize from Jollibee. Ayan. Alright. So, let's proceed to our next game. Since maliliit po yung mga kids natin. Alright, so next item. Alright, players, go back to your line po. 5, 4, 3, 2, Stop.